Tokenization News Roundup. Pendulum swings toward doubters in recent weeks. The buzz around the emerging tool of tokenizing real-world assets has been on how it will grow to achieve the $16 trillion by 2030 potential that the Boston Consulting Group predicted last year. Inevitably, criticism intrudes, and this week there is sober opinion, caution and skepticism in the zeitgeist. Here's this week's roundup of the latest stories and reports from CoinDesk and the industry to keep you up to date on the progress of the tokenized real-world assets revolution. How crypto tokenization can go wrong, and how to make it right. CoinDesk real-world assets could become a $5 trillion industry, some analysts project. But, without greater credit availability, certain changes tokenization won't be a meaningful evolution in finance. Takeaway: Ralph Kublai, board member of the Casper Association, cuts through the splashy trillion-dollar projections for the growth of real-world asset tokenization to warn that the emerging industry needs to focus on standardization to make our financial markets more efficient. Let's avoid the path where financial institutions merely upload financial statements to the blockchain and rethink the quality and types of information financial asset tokenization can provide, which will inevitably rewrite the rules on credit. Otherwise, tokenization will only provide the level of transparency and trust as in existing markets, which haven't truly improved since the informational deficits that drove the housing market boom and bust in the late 2000s. Do we really want to recreate the conditions that led to the great financial crisis? Can Swarm move tokenization? Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.